model, 64-plate Fiat Ducato 35 long wheelbase, diesel 2.3 multijet high roof van 130 body, white, panel van mileage, 163,800 MOT. The 11th of December 2023 engine, 2287 cc F1 AE3481DG transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive mechanical summary, starts perfect, engine is completely fine, gearbox looks all good, clutch needs replacing, condition summary, bodywork is average. Interior is average. Rear load area is average. Features: 2 former keepers, electric windows EU status, Euro 5 HPI, clear cap retail, £5,495. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 074011999